So Fionnula, Dr. Fionnula McHale.
Just Fionnula's fine.
Functional health and nutritionist, and just an inspiration to me. And also a self-confessed girly girl.
Yes.
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 Which has really changed perceptions of anyone who looks at a doctor in general, because they look at you and they see a beautiful, stunning looking woman whose physique is incredible. She's a power lifter. A power lifter, Instagram or blogger, but then turns around and is like, well, actually I have a brain too, I'm a doctor. Which I just think is phenomenal. We've all gone through tough times in our lives, and I just want to ask you to name some of the women that lifted you up.
Well, I suppose first and foremost is my mom. Like you said, an amazing woman, and I can only hope that as I grow up that I can be half the woman that she was. It's like you can have all the money in the world and you can have all these possessions, and you know, like you see people that have a big house, big car and all these things, but actually to have had a mother like I did who gave me nothing short of love, a huge amount of courage, and the strength that I have, to have that strength that I currently have, I feel very grateful for that. So McHale has been a shining star for me, particularly over the last year in particular. She is super into the gym, and I suppose that's how we met. So we met in ISI, and she won't mind saying her age. She's 50, and she looks incredible. She looks better than I could ever dream to look. But it's not how she looks that's important. That's what makes her such a shining star. But it's the warmth, the love, and the support that she's given to me. And that's what you need in a friend, is someone who doesn't judge you, and someone who just accepts you for who you are. Number 3 is my friend Anne McHale. Hey Anne. Anne's been my friend since I was in college. Again, another female. She's a gynecologist, so we went to school together, or college together. And then again, she's been a massive support to me over the last year. She was one of the people that came when I thought there was nobody there, and she came willingly, and she just sat with me, and she that's all I needed, was just to sit there, and she did it. She came when I needed her, and you know that sometimes only when you're at your lowest low in life that you realise the people that are important. And she came twice. Like, I owe her my life at the moment. Like, you know,
What did I say to her?
say, and I love you to pieces. The next lady in my life is a very special little girl, and she is my baby tuner. Okay, I don't know if she has to be a human here, but she's still a female. My dog is a little mini dachshund, and again, I think she's a blessing from the heavens above. Like I said, she came into my life at a time when I just could not imagine that things could get any worse. And you know, I was just one day, I had no intention of getting a dog, and none whatsoever. I just saw an ad. It was just by chance. It happened to be Saturday morning while I wasn't stuck in the hole of depression, and I got up and I went off and I went to see this person text me back, and I went to see the dog, and I saw this frightened little dog. Like, she was on her own in the house, and she was shaking, and she was so small. Recently I found great solace, I guess, with like understanding Christina Aguilera's story. As I was younger, going through some of the issues that I have, I used to really listen to that album, and I never knew why it's such a obsession's probably a feature for me, but you know, I listened to that over and over again, been through similar situations, whether it's physical, sexual, emotional abuse as a child, and how to come out of that. You know, she shows great empowerment. It's a very empowering, you know, because it makes me that much stronger, makes me work a little bit harder, makes me that much wiser. So thanks for making me a fighter. Made me learn a little bit faster, made my skin a little bit thicker, makes me that much smarter. So thanks for making me a fighter.